my name is Teneille and I am a tutor on Cambly. Today, we will be learning about the difference between lay and lie. You will learn to tell the difference between two very similar verbs. Although they have very similar meanings, they are used in completely different ways. So, example would be lay it down, lie yourself down. The quick trick is that lay needs a direct object after it and lie does not. So lay means to put or place something down. Lay is a transitive verb, which means it needs a direct object after it. Like, we lay something. Okay, let's look at some example sentences. We will lay the picnic blanket on the ground. So here we refer to the blanket being put on the ground. Okay, let's look at lay in its different forms. Its infinitive form is to lay. Its present tense is lay or lays. Past tense is laid, and past participle is also laid, and the present participle is laying. We will now look at some example sentences of lay in its different forms. Let's start with the present tense. I lay the baby in the cradle. Past tense, yesterday I laid the baby in the cradle. Present participle, she is laying the baby down for a nap. And the past participle, she laid the baby down for a nap. Notice how we said what the thing or object is that we laid. Lay also has some other meanings. For example, like birds lay eggs. Lay can also mean to produce. But this is most commonly only used with birds, fish, and reptiles. Example, the hen laid an egg. You can also lay a table, like we lay the knives and the forks on the table. So an example sentence of that would be, he had to lay the table before serving dinner. Now we're going to look at lie. So lie means to be on a surface in a horizontal position, usually resting. It is an intransitive verb, which means it does not need a direct object or thing after it. You cannot lie a thing, you lay a thing. Okay, so let's look at lie in its different forms. Its infinitive form is to lie. Its present tense is lie or lies. Its past participle is lain, and its present participle is lying. Okay, now we will look at some sentence examples of lie in its different forms. Present tense, he likes to lie in his hammock. Past tense, he lay in his hammock yesterday. Past participle, he has already lain in his hammock. And the present participle, he was lying in his hammock. So, lie can also mean to not tell the truth. Okay? So we tell a lie. Okay? An example sentence would be, why did you lie to me? I saw what you did. Or, she lied about eating the cake. I don't believe him because he has lied so many times. All right, now for the last part, we will look at the conjugation of these verbs together. You will notice that the word lay is also in the verb of to lay and also in the past tense of to lie. As we have already seen, these words have completely different meanings. Also, the verb to lie has two very different forms of conjugation depending on the meaning. Now you can see why even native speakers can get confused with these verbs. But just keep practicing and remember that practice makes perfect. That's it for today, everybody. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons from anywhere at any time, right from your phone or your computer. Schedule your next lesson with me by clicking the link below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!